well, it's time to go. This is my fourth song. Not this one. This is my fifth. This is my fourth one. I hear a noise. This is over. So this was the time you wanted to kill me. Impossible gifts in the morning. Or you kill me in the morning. Or the rooftops under the sky. Your mom just wants to watch you die. We hear knocking on the door. It is 3 cops. They to prison. Well, that's it. I know it's a short one, but the next one is really long. And after that, he finally comes back. The Punisher. I mean, not the Punisher, the Corruptor. The Corruptor is the one who's been making all these songs, so you will see him in the sixth. In the fifth song. After the fifth song. Subscribe, hit that